Here we have for sale my beautiful 2003 Dodge Ram 1500.
So a little video of it starting up from cold just while I move it to get some pictures for the video, for the advert. Beautiful, eh?
It's the 5.7 litre V8 Hemi engine, two-wheel drive version. Listen to that beautiful V8 purr. As you can hear from the video, it starts and runs beautifully. It's got some Raceline Alloys with a 3-inch lift kit. I've owned it since 2002 and I've absolutely loved it. It just doesn't get used anymore because I'm doing a lot more mileage for work. I've had a winch system put in the back of it for winching motorbikes up into the truck bed. Put on a brand new MBRP exhaust system, which sounds amazing, as you can hear. It's a Laramie spec trim level, so it's got all the bells and whistles. It's been serviced by the previous owner before I bought it, and then since then I've serviced it myself at the start of 2023, and it's not been used very much since then. Gorgeous car, gutted to be selling it. If you're interested, give me a shout, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.